Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Wix AI website builder. Whether you're a beginner looking to establish an online presence quickly, or just seeking a more streamlined way to create a website, Wix's AI tools are a fantastic choice. First, log into your Wix account. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on your site's dashboard. Next, you'll want to create a new site. Look for the Create New Site button, which is straightforward and easy to find. Clicking this will take you to the heart of the site building journey. As you proceed, you'll see an option that says Create with AI. This is where the real magic happens. Click on it, and Wix will start asking you a series of questions. These queries are essential because they allow the AI to customize your site to align perfectly with your preferences. Take your time to think about your answers, as they will influence your site's final appearance and functionality. Once you've provided all the necessary information, you'll be prompted to generate a design with AI. This feature unleashes the creative power of artificial intelligence, crafting a unique design tailored specifically for you. In just a few clicks, you're on your way to having a professional-looking website without needing any design expertise yourself. That's how you use the Wix AI website builder. While AI offers a fantastic kickoff, don't hesitate to tweak and personalize elements to better represent your brand. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful.